Before I begin, I want you all to imagine something. Imagine a child standing outside the classroom, not because he didn't want to study, but because the society decided he didn't deserve to. Now imagine the same child growing up drafting the constitution of the world's largest assembly. That child was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji once said, "The constitution is not a mere law's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is the spirit of age." And we all remember him. But remembrance is easy, understanding is difficult. Because if we truly understood him, we wouldn't reduce his legacy to just one day. We proudly say, he gave us the constitution, he gave us the democracy, he gave us the fundamental rights. But do we remember that he fought against a system that denied him dignity, denied him water, denied him education? And still he chose to build a nation where people would live with dignity. उन्होंने केवल संविधान नहीं लिखा, उन्होंने एक ऐसे राष्ट्र की परिकल्पना की जहां समानता केवल शब्द नहीं, एक वास्तविकता. And yet today we continue to witness divisions over caste, creed, color, languages. Voices rise of threat, of fear, of what might be lost. But perhaps the real question is, क्या वास्तव में खतरा हमारी विविधता को है या हमारी उन सोच की सीमाओं को जो हमें एक होने से रोकती है? Our constitution written by Baba Sahib did not give us 100 different identities, ladies and gentlemen. It gave us one. It begins with the three immortal words. We the people of India. Not we the Hindu, we the Muslim, we the Punjabi, we the Sikh, we the Tamil. We the people of India. So today, standing here in the Parliament of India, I don't just see a nation shaped by history, ladies and gentlemen. I see a nation shaped by vision. A vision that Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gave to all of us. An India where people from different regions, different backgrounds, different languages come together not just to compete, but to contribute. Not just to coexist, but to stand for something larger than themselves. At the end, I would like to conclude by saying, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.